How to remove ban from Telegram group. So let's get started. First of all, tap on the Telegram app on your mobile device and also make sure that you are logged into your Telegram account. Now, if you are the person who got banned, unfortunately you cannot unban yourself. But here is what you can do. If you know someone in the group, ask them to contact an admin for you or look for the admin's handle, sometimes shown in public channels or group. Then simply polite message such as hi, I noticed I was banned from the group. If it was a mistake or misunderstanding, I would really appreciate another chance. Thanks. And once an admin removes their ban, you can rejoin using an invite link. If the group is public, just search and rejoin. So that is it. You cannot use bots or tricks to bypass bans. You cannot also ask Telegram support to override a ban. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.